Just keep rolling. Hey guys, I'm here at the Milwaukee Media event, and there's a couple of really exciting things in the carpentry and remodeling division that I like, and one of them is this 2¼ horsepower router with a 1/2-inch collet. That's huge for me. I usually have to use a plug to do this kind of routing with, because I got a bunch of 1/2-inch collets. This thing, what did you use for the linear feet?
So we're able to deliver over 225 linear feet per charge of 5/8 roundovers in pine with our high output 6.0 battery pack.
So 5/8 roundover bit, 225 feet with a 6 amp hour battery. That's pretty good. And what I really like is they've got this really sweet plunge base, and I call this an edge guide, right? Is that
track adapter, guide rail adapter. Regardless, it's going to hook right up to those new guide rails.
So if you look on the back, it can hook up to a track saw right here, with some adjustment knobs for the track. This locks it in. This is the adjustment knobs, 2 lock-ins, and it's really nice. I guess probably my first impression of this was the machining. The machining on this is really nice. Almost, I think one of the guys on my team said it looks like a medical device. It's machined so nicely. So anyway, this is pretty cool. The cost of the bare tool is $349.
$349 bare tool.
$599 as a kit, and the kit comes with battery. And these 2 things?
Yep. So just the plunge base, this is going to be sold separately. However, that is also compatible with our trim router too as well.
And what are we selling this at?
So that's $119.
$119. So that's pretty good. So guys, check this out. It's the M18 Fuel 1/2-inch router. Can I do a quick finger in the bit, how fast the brush brake is? That's nice. Nice safety feature. Do we have a